Let's move forward to the next suitor. What think of you? What think you of the Scottish lord, his neighbor? Now, who has come? Scottish lord. A lord from Scotland has come to marry Portia. Portia, that he hath a neighborly charity in him. He has a love for his neighbor. Neighborly charity is a love for his neighbor. For he borrowed a box of the ear of the Englishman. Actually, he had got a box, a blow on his ear from a Englishman. See bache again. What think you of the Scottish lord? Who has come? A lord from Scotland has come to marry Portia. He hath a love for his neighbor. He has love for his neighbor. For he borrowed a box of the ear of the Englishman. He had got a blow, a punch on his face from the Englishman, and he swore that he would pay him again. He would blow him again. He would pay him again when he was able, when he would be able. Okay, it means he's such a coward person. I think the Frenchman become his surety and sealed under for, and the Frenchman became his surety that definitely he would blow him back. He would definitely blow him back, blow the Englishman back when he would get some time. Now again here it is hinted that Frenchman and French and Scotland had a good bond against England. Now, how like you the young German, the Duke of Saxony nephews? Now, who has come here from a German, the Duke of Saxony nephews, very wily in the morning when he is sober. Where he is terrible in the morning. Willie is terrible in the morning when he is sober. This Duke of Saxony nephew is a drunkard. He drinks the whole day. She says he is normal. He is terrible in the morning when he is normal. When he should be normal. He is terrible in the morning when he is normal or sober, and most wily in the afternoon when he is drunk, and worst in the afternoon when he is drunk. And when he is best, when he tried to be best, he is worse than a man. He is worse than a man, and when he is worst, he is little better than a beast. So, and the worst fall that ever fall, I hope I shall make a shift to go without him. And whatever worst happen, I should not accept him. Whatever worst happen to me, I should not accept the Duke of Saxony nephew, because he's a drunkard. Now, but Portia is describing all the suitors who have come to marry, to take part in the casket system. Then come Nerissa. If he should offer to choose and choose the right, suppose he choose the right casket. Suppose the Duke of Saxony's nephew choose the right casket. You should refuse to perform your father's will if you should refuse to accept him. Suppose he makes the right choice, and then will you refuse to your father's will? Therefore, for fear of the worst, I pray thee, set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket. If it happens, do one thing, Portia, put a Rhenish wine on the wrong casket. He will get attracted by the smell of the Rhenish wine, and he will choose the wrong casket. Therefore, for fear of the worst, I pray you, set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket, on the wrong casket. Even if the devil is within, but temptation without, I know he will choose it. I will do anything, Nerissa. There I will be married to a sponge. He's like a sponge. He will be choose. See, but Nerissa, Portia is requesting Nerissa to put a glass of Rhenish wine on the wrong casket. if the devil is there, the temptation of the wine will make him to choose the wrong casket, and I will be saved. It's like if suppose I marry him, I will marry a sponge, but a sponge but means a drunkard. It is like marrying a drunkard. Narisa, you need not fear, lady, the having of any of these lords. They have acquainted me with their determination. Don't worry, Narisa. These suitors have told me that they would not take part in the competition. They would not take part in the contest. You need not fear, lady, the having any of these lords. They have acquainted me with their determination, which is indeed to return to their home. They have decided they would go back to their home, and to trouble you with no more suit, unless you may be won by some other sort than your father in position, depending on the caskets. Actually, you need not to be worried, madam, having to marry any of these lords. They have informed me of their decision to go back to their homes and to trouble you no more with the suits, unless you are won by the method, except the one